I don't know why I'm feeling this, but I'm gonna go. Dito ko. No, I'm gonna go to farm and see all the zombies. Oh, my name? You steal it from me. You steal it from me. Dito, the red team. No, there was one guy. My name? Bro, this base is too overpowered. Let's do it. Congratulations! We won! Even though we didn't actually win. Okay. Get me inside! I see money. I see money. Ah, the black guy's on me. Boom. Boom. They're camping. Yeah, I know they're camping. Okay, I just know. Sabihin sila. Dito tayo sa loob. Dito tayo mag-guard. Oh! I got killed! Not until we will fight till the end. I don't really care about the problem. Oh, yo! Boy, finally we're done. Bro, nagdalag ko. Huh? I know, they overpowered them and it's just no! Guide in the base! Guide it with you. Bro, nandito na no. Bro, wala. Money, look at